Makers have come to understand what costume designers have always known. The sexiest things are what you don't see. In a way, the censorship code helped Hollywood grow up. Although today's costume designers are free to design and reveal whatever they want, most agree that when it comes to eroticism, the less explicit, the more alluring. After Hollywood's long journey from rigid censorship to almost mandatory nudity and back, this much remains true. A flickering image in a darkened room not only projects our fantasies and desires, but shapes them as well.
The proceeding was brought to you by the Walt Disney World Resort, where the new millennium is pure magic.
In the year 2000, how old will you be? Who can do the math? You'll be my age. Wonder what you'll be doing.
Back then, you couldn't imagine you'd be at Walt Disney World, still feeling like a kid. Come be part of a year-long Millennium celebration you'll never forget. Just call 1-407-WDisney.
We'll be too old to do anything.
Celebrate the future hand in hand.
Tonight on AMC, on Hollywood Fashion Collection, Paul Newman and Joanne Woodward star in From the Terrace, featuring costumes by Travilla. Then, Elvis Presley is drafted and puts some rock and roll into the Army in the widescreen version of GI Blues. And Hollywood Fashion Machine, Dressed to Thrill, reveals how costume designers created sexy outfits while skirting censorship. That's all tonight on AMC.
Good evening. I'm Lauren Bacall. Tonight, AMC's Hollywood Fashion Collection presents Paul Newman and Joanne Woodward in From the Terrace. In real life, Newman and Woodward were married and one of Hollywood's most fashionable couples when this film was shot in 1960. Costume designer William Travilla was famous for his highly glamorous designs, and since Woodward plays a wealthy society girl, Travilla got a chance to exercise his full imagination in making her the ultimate in early 60s chic. And with that, here's Paul Newman, Joanne Woodward, and Myrna Loy in From the Terrace.